Hi, it's Phil Weston. In this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you buy the DIY Probate Pack. Let me show you precisely what will happen when you buy the DIY Probate Pack for just £29. Enter your payment details on the order page, then you will be instantly redirected to your DIY Probate Portal, just like this. Within 60 seconds from now, you can access everything you need to do to obtain probate and finalise the affairs of a loved one, with me guiding you through every step of the process. Not only will I show you how to obtain probate, but possibly of even greater value, I will guide you through the steps that you need to take to deal with all of the financial aspects of someone who has died. For example, how to close and release money in bank accounts, personal savings and investments such as stocks and shares, bonds, pensions, ISAs and insurance policies. How to sell or transfer ownership of a property and finalise tax matters such as inheritance tax. And you'll also learn the steps you'll need to take to ensure the inheritance money is paid to the beneficiaries of the will the right way at the right time. This inside information is not widely available or published on free websites, as it is something the legal profession like to keep to themselves so they can charge people like you upwards of £5,000 to do it for you. If you get stuck at any time, you can ask me and my team a question and we'll be happy to help you. You can email, phone or schedule a call using our direct booking system. I'm here to make your entire probate process as smooth as possible. So please click the buy button now below and let's get you started today. I'll see you inside the DIY Probate Portal soon, and don't forget you'll also get your hard copy DIY Probate Pack arrive in the post within the next few days.